This is Danielle from 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐤.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some easy electric fence signs. To start off, go ahead and measure wherever you're going to place your signs. In this case, we're placing it on white vinyl fencing. Then you can take the design that I created and you can cut it on your Cricut machine. I'm using the roll holder, the Cricut Maker 3, and the permanent vinyl on a roll, so I can cut it all at once for several different signs for my whole fencing. It just cuts the whole thing out, and then you can move on and weed your design. If you happen to be new to Cricut, weeding just means that you scrape away any part that isn't part of the design once it's been cut out. Once your design is weeded, place your transfer tape over the design carefully, but keep the backing on your design. So now that I've got these weeded, I've got them transfer paper attached to a few of them. I just want to wipe down. This is white vinyl fencing. If you don't have white vinyl and you have like wood boards, you could probably apply it to the wood, but usually you'd make a sign and attach it to a wood post. You want these, at least according to a lot of areas, about 50 feet apart. I was trying to get the regulations for my area and couldn't find them. Anyways, wipe it clean where you're going to place it, let it dry for a minute, and then you can apply your vinyl. Okay, so you peel the back. Once you peel the back off your vinyl, you have just the transfer paper left, or the transfer vinyl and the vinyl. So you're going to want to make sure this is on really good before you peel this off. What you can do is you can take one of these. In this case, I've got to use two hands because this is floppy, so I need to actually press hard. But what I'm going to do is just press hard against this, make sure it's all the vinyl stuck really well, and then I will peel off this right here. Okay, here's another one. As you can see, I had to resize it so it fit between this. You don't want it going over this bump. Won't stick quite as well. So I resized it. Again, need to do one of these and get it to stick on. This humidity is not really helping me very much, so I may wait to do the rest of mine because I have a bunch of them to do, and come out at night because the humidity, I'm assuming it's the humidity that's causing me some issues getting the vinyl to stick, but yeah. And yeah, this was way easier to install in the evening when it was a little less humid. I did a few different designs. I did some funny designs, and I did just the regular caution electric fencing. You can see the designs on my blog, 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐤.com. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much and have a great day.